Hey, what's up? These are the two boxes I said I was gonna receive. I already got them. I already opened them. So what I'm gonna go do is just show you the pulls I got out of these boxes. I got Rockorona. I don't know the name, so I'm just gonna tell you what I got. Point and I know, but not all. Got him. I got doubles of this. Him. Zork, Tony, Blissey, and the EXs I pulled were Darkrai, Entei, and wait, that's the promo one. This is the chance, Korean. Got Groudon, Regigigas, and I pulled this. Just I guess I don't know if we call it a gold or a shiny Pokemon catcher. You can see the emblem there. You can see it's a reflection, but you can see it. So yeah, those are the pulls.